Are you someone who puts convenience and comfort over everything else? Well, we've got the perfect match for you. Manchester House provides a stunning range of en-suites, furnished with study space, large storage units, a private bathroom, and a warm double bed, making your check-ins and check-outs easier than ever. The communal kitchens and living spaces will be shared between the roommates. It comes with a breakfast bar, a living area with a TV, and all the appliances you'll need to prepare the perfect meal with your friends. Manchester House comes with on-site laundry facilities, a high-speed Wi-Fi connection, amazing security systems, and a maintenance team available on the property 24/7 for your assistance. The property is located across the street from the University of Manchester and Manchester Metropolitan University, saving you from the tiring commute by bus. The city center is located less than a 10-minute walk away from Manchester House, making it an extremely convenient location for you to stay. Rentals start from £163 per week. Go ahead and book your stay on amberstudent.com today.